Good day, everyone. Welcome to African Salt Film Production as we proceed on the history of Yoruba. In episode 1, we stop at how people came on the earth and how they found themselves on the earth, and something they are a revolution that happened that turned them from ape to human being, and something they found themselves by the sea or by the river. When the people got on earth, they started living in a sinful way. They forgot so easily the rules that bound them or when they were living in between the heaven and the earth. Then Olodumare sent down all the ORISAS to come and guide the people and give them rules. And the don't that the Orisha gave to those people are known as Ewo, Ontikuwo, Iwa Aita. Due to the work Oduduwa has done in the creation of the earth, it needs to rest before coming to the earth. So due to that having the reason why he wasn't among the first batch of the descendants Orishas. Among the Orishas are Ifa, Obatala, Eshu, Ogun, Shango, Shopana, Awoyamele, and so on. Oduduwa happens to be the last Orisha to descend, but because he was the one who created the land, that is why his children are now king all over the Yoruba land. When all the Orisha descend on earth, the road that will lead them to Ife happens to be a deep forest. Ogun then uses his cutlass to clear the road for them to Ife and that was what made Ogun of all Orisha to step Ife first among of all the Orishas. As Ifa said, Ọ̀rúnmìlà ló dà tètè dé mo ló dà tètè dé bára àgbọn ni règún. Wọ́n ní ta ló kọ́ dòtú Ifẹ̀ níjọ̀hún? Wọ́n ní Ògún ni. And that is the reason why Ifa said Ogun was one of the Agba Orisha, that is headiest Orisha. When this Orisha got to Ife the people has known them, so they have to adjust their bad behavior or stop it. How did they see the Orisha? They are tall giants, in human image, with supernatural power, very strong, that cannot be defeated by man. Thank you for watching African Salt Film Production. Watch out for the next episode. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to enjoy more of our history. Thank you.